People, put your hands up high. If you lift them up, you might just touch the sky. All the lonely.
Hi everyone, it's Isabel and welcome back to another little YouTube video. So today I'm heading to the airport. I'm meeting one of my friends there since we're going to be going to LA together. I'm super duper excited, so stay tuned for this vlog.
And you swore we never go this far. Hit me up, 6.
Everyone, so right now I'm at the airport. I'm sitting by like the Delta counter. We're about to like check in for our flight and everything, get our boarding passes, but we want to do it together during the security.
In the end, feeling strange like
Everyone, so me and my friend met up. We passed TSA and now we're going to be walking to our gates.
gonna say now.
Everyone, so right now we're in our gate. We're waiting for our flight. I'm so excited to go to LA.
Be fine and stay up on cloud 9, pretending we're alright. Don't let go, hold me.
Hi everyone, so right now I'm in the plane and now we're heading to LA. I'm super excited.
Close and drift into the night. Please don't leave, turn around and tell me it's alright. As I stood there in your sweater, you said it's only getting better. It's only getting better. It's only getting better. What is it? What do you desire? Left it all with our hearts on fire. Let me in, I wanna see you try. Open up, boy, and never tell me why. We were gone, though we had each other. Summer love, so we lost one another. Swore to me that you'd always stay. Now you're gone, you went another way. And I don't wanna know what you're gonna say now. What you're gonna say now. These feelings never show unless you're burning me down. Unless you're burning me down. So tell me, will we be fine and stay up on cloud 9, pretending.
Everyone, so right now we landed in LAX. We're waiting for our hotel shuttle. Hey guys, we're now in the shuttle and we're heading to our hotel.
Your side as we lay on your clothes and drift into the night. Please don't leave, turn around and tell me it's alright. As I stood there.
Right now we are at our hotel. We checked in and everything. We're getting ready to go to work and film. We also ate one of those like free cookies.
It's only getting better.
Hey everyone, so right now we're at the Waymo hotel in downtown LA. We're like chilling in the lobby and everything because we're waiting for like our work and phone reservations.
Life is better wide open. Forget the lessons meant to own us. Rules are better when they're broken. So come on, hold on tight. I know you're ready and you know I'm right. Life is better when you don't think twice. Life is better wide open.
Hey everyone, so right now we just got out of work and phone. Let's see pretty first fun. We're now waiting for our Uber in the lobby.
My intention is that we leave this all behind.
Hey everyone, so right now we're back at our hotel. I'm doing my little nighttime routine, taking a little nap, and then I think we're gonna be chilling for the rest of the night. Good morning guys, it's the next day now, so I'm gonna eat some leftover cookies, maybe some coffee or tea, and then head to the gym.
Be alright. Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Seeing stars and we dance in the headlights. Don't it feel alright? Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling?
Hi guys, so right now we're at one of like the train stations near our hotel. We're waiting for the bus to go to Air One.
Misbehaving. You know no second should be wasted. 'Cause to keep in check is overrated. So that's why we're breaking now. Ain't nobody gonna hold us.
Hey everyone, so right now we're at Air One. We're eating some brunch. everyone, so right now we're in the Waymo and we're on our way to the mall.
Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Seeing stars and we dance in the headlights. Don't it feel alright? Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Now
Hey everyone, so right now we're at Lip Lab. We're doing our own custom lip gloss.
can you hear the freeway calling? Seeing stars and we dance in the headlights. Don't it feel alright? Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Non-stop running one way to paradise. Don't it feel alright? If you can, we can do it all. I will let you lead the way. I know there's no price to pay. If you can, we can do it all. If you can, we can do it all. Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Seeing stars, are we dancing the headlight? Don't it feel alright? Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Non-stop running one way to paradise. Gonna be alright. Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Seeing stars, are we dancing the headlight? Don't it feel alright? Can you hear it tonight? Can you hear the freeway calling? Non-stop running one way to paradise. Don't it feel alright? I get down in the ways that you provide in my head.
So right now we're at Ramen Nico and we're eating dinner.
I'm thinking that way. I know that we could be anything that we want. Feel the breeze in my soul. I don't wanna go home tonight. Yeah, we could just take it slow. Places you never been. Leave everything we know and get away. We could just take it slow. Places you never been. Just keep it on the low. Get away. Get away. I get down in the ways that you provide in my head. Feel the breeze in my soul. I don't wanna go home. I'm thinking that way. I know that we could be anything that we want. Feel the breeze in my soul. I don't wanna go home tonight. I know that we could be anything that we want. Feel the breeze in my soul. I don't wanna go home tonight.
Hey guys, it's the next day now. So today we're having like a little bit of a chill day today. So I'm gonna go down and get some breakfast and probably like spend the day at the pool.
Get away. We can just take it slow. Places you never been. Leave everything we know. Get away. We can just take it slow. Places you never been. Just keep it on the low. Get away.
Hey everyone, so right now we're getting ready. We're gonna be on our way to the beach and probably in and out, so we're gonna be walking there.
That we're true. Spending money with my friends.
Yeah, so right now we're in and out. We're having some lunch. I got a grilled cheese, some fries, and some lemonade.
In these streets alone, all my money's gone. Life is easy if you carry on. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high, so high.
Hey everyone, so right now we're in Manhattan Beach. We're like exploring, chilling on the beach a little bit. beach. We're gonna be heading to Anaheim or going to Park to get some photos and explore downtown Disney for a little bit. So right now we're at Portos. We're ordering food and then we're gonna be heading to downtown Disney.
Different places, no regrets. Spending money with my friends, smoking weed again. So high, baby, so high. Shadows chasing me back home, this was never gone. Life is easy if you carry on. So high.
So right now we're at downtown Disney. We're exploring a little bit.
Turn me off and you turn me back on by the weekend. And you won't say the words that I want, but you flirt when you're drinking. Well, I see those bubbles pop up like you're texting and they disappear. Let's cut through the shit and let's get to what we're doing here. Are we just a backseat, trying to get it while we can? Are we names in a tattoo, or just a number on a hand? Are we last cool kissing, we be reminiscing with each other for the next 40 years? Are we written in the stars, baby, or are we written in the sand?
Right now we're back at the hotel. We're eating some dinner and then we're gonna like chill for the rest of the night.
This drama. You make
Hey everyone, so it's the next day now. We're getting ready to check out and everything. This is our last day in LA, sadly. But anyways, I'm gonna go down to get some breakfast. Or like my grade may like leftover food to eat breakfast, maybe some more cookies, and then we're gonna explore LA until like the rest of the day, like I was like.
Are we written in the stars, baby, or are we written in the sand?
So right now we're getting ready to check out the hotel. We're gonna go down to the Princess soon, and then we're gonna explore LA until I have a flight. Hey everyone, so right now we're at Santa Monica. We're heading to the pier. We're gonna do some rides until our flight back to SFO.
Are we last school kissing? Are we dancing in the kitchen? Baby, tell me what it is and what it is. And are we written in the stars, baby, or are we written in the sand? Or are we just a backseat, trying to get it while we can? Are we names in a tattoo, or just a number I should wash right off my hand? Are we last school kissing and we be reminiscing with each other for the next 40 years? Are we written in the stars, baby, or are we written in the sand? Are we written in the stars, baby, or are we written in the sand? Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
everyone, so right now we're back at the hotel. We're chilling in the lobby. We're waiting for our shuttle to bring us back to LAX.
When the crowd screams,
So right now we're at the shuttle and we're on our way to LAX. Everyone, so right now we're at LAX and we're waiting for our flight.
choose to stay.
Right now I'm on a plane to have you on board with us.
Please place all our items.
And it hurts so bad.